Hi everybody, Paul here with PTZOptics at the 2025 Automate Show, checking out the brand new Detect It AI software for industrial manufacturing. I'm here with Kit Kulick, who's going to take us through how they're using PTZOptics cameras to zoom into specific pieces of manufactured parts to identify defects, but going a step further, projected AI. And I'm going to let Kit take it from there because this is some pretty advanced, cool stuff.
Thank you, Paul, and you're exactly right. So we are taking our neural net technology and actually applying it to a projector and projecting AI into the real world. So we can now move the part all about your workstation. As long as it's somewhat in front of the camera will track and hunt it and find those correct or incorrect detections, just like Paul was stating. We will change the color of the boxes from red to green, indicating the state of good or bad, and now finally getting projected boxes into the real world.
Such a cool solution here. The PTZ camera is able to zoom in to specific parts of an industrial manufactured piece to be able to capture the amount of detail needed to effectively have what we would say is like 99% accuracy for detections.
Exactly right. Yep.
You can see here that what's happening is the camera is kind of going through what they call a flight path.
Yep.
And essentially zooming into the important pieces that need the detections, and then they're projecting down the results of these pieces. So you can see on this camera here, they're running the Detect It Net Runner. That is running a custom computer vision model they've made with their Detect It Builder software that you can run on any computer on your local area network, right?
100%.
So in your installations, are you seeing this Detect It Net Runner on the installation line so that people can get a quick view of what's going on?
Typically, because we are detecting all in real time, all in video, operators and companies usually like to see the detections on the screen. It is not a requirement of any detected application, but it is nice to see what is failing and for potentially what reason as well. Again, all in real time, all in video.
And you guys have been doing this for quite some time. I've seen some of your AI assistant productions, just detecting things. And then when an object is detected, let's say it's a defect, you can send out notifications and interact with different applications.
Exactly right. We can create an evidence package for you, save images, even videos if you like. They take up a little more space, but we can save all that evidence for you for traceability, tie it to a serial number, barcode information, whatever have you, to make sure that that part doesn't leave your facility incorrect.
Now, a lot of our customers at PTZOptics have been trying out Detect It. You can download it for free to give it a try.
Correct.
A free trial. But what's even better is they'll turn around and rapid POC. So a proof of concept with a video that you can take from your production line, get it over to the Detect It team, and they will quickly send you back some detections to show you what's possible.
Yep, because of the on-prem solution that we provide, as well as the fast deployment of applications, the speed is unmatched. I mean, we're able to set up something like this that you see here today in about 4 or 5 days of programming and AI training. It's really that fast and can be that reliable, like Paul's saying, 100% confidence detection.
So you can learn more at detect-it-AI. Thanks for watching.
Thanks.